I broke up with my girlfriend like yesterday, right? And she was 10 out of 10, like stunning.
І почне всіх вбивати. Ти намагатимешся як Рамбо з ним боротися, але
I'm camera guy. Camera guy never dies. This just never dies, even looking good at the same time. Wolf from Wall Street, right? Just go and knock into the doors and like thinking, oh, holy shit. Guys, here we go, no makeup. You know, trying to become like Tony Robbins, you know, in Ukraine. I mean, you know, do all of these public speeches and like making TED Talk, whatever, like everything, you know. Colleges, universities, like schools, clubs, whatever. And what about that? Like, for example, I have like, that's the topic of the speech. So, do you want to know how like perfectionism will kill your dreams and why you care about what people think about you? It's looking good. It's all about confidence, you know? Like, I need to go to every place that I can possibly find in this city, and this is local city, like 100k people, and to find opportunities and possibilities. You know what I mean, yeah? Take a seat, let me tell you my ridiculous dreams, I want to rap. Yeah, no, it's hard to believe. I can tell right thinking, never succeed.
поплакати, покричати на... І ти задоволений собою, правильно? Ти почуваєш...
This is like super beautiful, right? It's just amazing. I will go pitch and sell, content, ads, door to doors, cafes, restaurant, jewelry, shops. So I've got like a ticket for a hotel or something with like numbers, reception, etc. Who cares, like, you know, like in American Psychopath. Christian Bale, he was so like upset, anxious about like somebody have a better ticket.
Ну все, ми готові, дайте шуму!
Реберня на Троїцькій. Holy shit, it's looking really, really good. I need to go there, that's for sure. Yeah. Probably so Cleopatra, another like hotel. And we have a like super prestige place. And it names I don't remember the name. I don't remember the title. I was there like 2 times and they say, oh, you know, the owner is not there or is not here anymore or something. So I'll go there and last place will be there. It's like a super big restaurant and super like a rich restaurant. And we will see. And I'm like thinking, I just walking down the street and it's almost nobody. It's like apocalypse, you know, like zombie apocalypse, like tomorrow. Tourists or kids, maybe kids. What is that? I don't even know what is the place. Oh, cat. We have a cat. Ah, wait, that's my finger. It's not a cat. You know, when I'm like walking and trying to sell something, I'm feeling like Wolf from Wall Street, right? Just go and knock into the doors and like thinking, oh, holy shit, I need to sell a lot. Sell me this pen. It's not that easy, probably, but when you like, I realize from sales, right? Tips and tricks, just to be relaxed, to be confident, you know, playing with the voice. Oh, working pretty good, right? Closed a couple of places, but my next destination is another city in Ukraine. I'll try to do the same thing, you know, go to all the places. So like museum, water, signals, stop. Oh, another like charge. Do you like that? Is it like looking good for you? So I've been in like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or something. I don't remember. I was in like a couple restaurants and cafes right now. Jacob plus somebody from like Vampire Diaries plus me, you know? Women are not evil. And I'm just walking down the street with that. And I like kind of don't care. And we'll knock to the door to that like place. Looking good at the same time. feel like second place.
Ей, йо-йо-йо, братанчик, що ти тут? А, ніколи тебе тут не бачу. Бачу, з маком сидиш, напевно, ти хто там, айтішник. Працюєш, ти реально працюєш.
Звісно.
There are places like in my city, they're like super, you know, like popular. And they have like ads and they have content creators. And why not to go to those places, you know, and try to sell content like for them, like Daniel, for example. I broke up with my girlfriend like yesterday, right? And she was 10 out of 10, like stunning. And yeah, emotionally, you know, when after like emotional deep, you'd like to grab your phone and doing whatever, some bullshit, but like in the moment of sadness, in the moment like of something to recharge yourself, you don't need your phone, you don't need computer, you don't need TV, you don't need like anything, like TV series, movies. I'm not watching movies, I'm not watching TV series, I'm not even reading right now. I just like staring the wall, you know, staring at this wall, right? And thinking or doing whatever, like activity. You know, how like one guy said, if you'd like to fix your mind with your like with sport, like with your body. So
І почне всіх вбивати. Ти намагатимешся як Рамбо з ним боротися, але чи ти його переможеш, не
So basically you see the video and it was like 21 people on my public speech about artificial intelligence. And today I'm gonna, you know, I like to go to like director or something of this university and just sell them my public speeches. And yeah. But you know, it's not that easy. I mean, because they need to like approve all of that. And probably everything is closed right now. Holy shit, that's... What do we have here? Like, probably. What do we have here? Okay. I'm camera guy. Camera guy never dies. This just never dies, even in Ukraine, right? That's the exit. Okay. Oh, it's like kitchen. I have a super big dilemma right now. Why? Because I'm thinking about like going to certain places, like 5, 6, like restaurants for the next 30 minutes, and I'd like to go to the bathroom so bad. And it's like, it's kind of, I'm scared. I don't know why, because in the morning now, I had a public speech today. It's just in the morning, I was doing that. And right now I'm like a little bit scared. And because that's almost last places that I have in this city. And I don't know what will, and they're like the top of the city. And they already have content, they already have ads, they have everything, but at the same time, trying to earn money with that. So I don't even care. But there's like 6 restaurants, like for example, first of them, like it's this one. And it's like a franchise. Probably I don't need to be scared, I just need to do that. And then after that, I can do whatever. So I just give myself 30 minutes and that's it. I just go. So I will record the video after I will achieve this. And it's dark, it's wet, you know, it's rainy in Ukraine. How's it going? I've been in like 5 places, and the last place I wanted to go, I was scared. I don't know, too many people like talking so good with barista from another like cafe for too long. And yeah, it was pretty good. So the best moment to start something or to achieve something is now. It's not like tomorrow, you know, it's not the day after tomorrow. It's like right now, for sure. So guys, so for example, my mentor told me, Andrew, you need to go to all the like cities, like closest cities to you, and like found new places, new restaurants, new cafes, new businesses, like with jewelry or something, and make content for them for money, of course. Like, so it's basically sales and pitching. So probably tomorrow I will like, I'll bring everything to the table, find new people, new team, not new team. I have like a camera guy and I have a actress. Basically it's door to door, you know, knocking on the door, like saying, oh, we're like shooting content, we're making this, we have ads, like pay us money for that, you know, like I have a portfolio, like showing them videos, and that's it. Our planet is such a beautiful place. Oh my gosh. Yeah, random cars. It looks like, you know, it's like a view from Interstellar. Yeah.